Let's fix your iPhone sensor light. Now, at the very top of your iPhone, there is a sensor. It basically tells the proximity of your face. When you hold basically your phone up to your ear, it'll tell that it is right there so that you can basically talk on the phone. It does a bunch of other things in terms of adjusting the lightness and brightness of your screen, all of that different stuff. You might have seen it as a red dot at the very top. Now, if that's not working, I'm going to walk you through a few different steps to get that working. The most common reason why it's not working is because of some obstruction. So a lot of times cases will build up dirt around this area because basically the case will have a little gap right there. It'll build up dirt or gunk in there. Or potentially if you have a cover, a screen protector on your iPhone, it will basically cover that up and get a little bit of gunk on it. I recommend the first and most common way to fix it is just to take your case off, take the screen protector off, get a cloth and really clean that area out really well so that basically you can get all of that cleaned. Hopefully that should get it fixed. If that doesn't get it fixed, the next step that we can do is we can tap and hold the volume up and the power button. And we'll just slide to power off your phone and restart it. Sometimes basically there's a glitch after using your phone for a while. It's been on for a while. There's a bug or a glitch in it. So just restarting it a lot of times fixes any of those light sensor issues. Now, the last thing that you can do on your phone itself is to just head into settings and we'll tap on general and then software update. So update to the latest version. If you don't have the latest version, potentially there's a bug in there that Apple has fixed. So just update to the latest version and you'll hopefully get that light sensor fixed. Now, if you walk through all of these different steps and it still doesn't work, the last thing that you have to do is probably just bring it into an Apple store, get them to run diagnostics on it and tell you why it's not working. Hopefully, if it's under warranty, they'll just fix it for free. If not, you might have to pay to get it fixed or just to get a new phone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.